Hi guys, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Today I am here with the brand and the product which I really recently started loving greatly. This is the Mieux. I hope I say it right, so it's French. And if you translate this word from French, it would mean the best. Now I'm here with the Phyto cleansing gel, and when you open up the bottle, the box, it's going to be like a blue gel here. It's 6 ounce, 180 milliliters, so a really decent size product. It's not that expensive. It's around $20 plus. What this product does, it purifies and nourishes. So it's good for acne prone, for combination skin, for adult skin oily. Obviously here we could get to the oily skin. Now it has it's very good foamy wash. I love it for, you know, when you have the dry skin, it's better to use something more of a creamy consistency. And when you have normal, oily, acne-prone skin, the gel is actually your go product. It removes makeup, but obviously before, if you have makeup on, use makeup remover first. And then it balances the moisture, improves tone and texture. It has botanicals, which is also good. This is actually the product. This is not regular line like Neutrogena or something like that. This is definitely a step up. It's a very good product. Now it has brown, green, and red algae extracts from the Brittany coast of France, so it's like French product. It conditions, soothes, and softens skin. The way you guys are going to use it, you will moisten your hands, get a little bit. It has a very a bottle specifically made for you not to overuse, and then you lather it. So you have your foam, you apply it on your face. With this product, guys, you avoid the eye area because you don't have anything to balance there, right? You use it morning and night. And if I look at the ingredients, it really has all the extracts, the white tea, the aloe vera, the sea letters, the different types of algae, exactly the way it claims. Rosemary and chamomile, and it does not have any fragrance. That's why I really love this product. It's made in USA, which is also, I would say, a good plus, and I would definitely recommend it for anyone who want to try it. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I will get back to you with more Mieux products.